Yeah, so that's pretty high. This is what we're doing after doing a engine flush on a BG service. So this is what you have to do, is drain the oil immediately after running it for 3,000 RPMs for about 20 minutes. And this is what you got, 200 degree oil. So if you're doing one of these, be careful with it. Which core?
The one under the Tiguan.
Ah.
The one under the Yukon. Well, let's do this.
Alright, so what we're doing here is opening up an engine, getting ready to do timing on it. But this particular car just got done with a BG dynamic engine flush. So what we're going to do is take this top cover off and see just how good or bad it looks in here. So this flush got done just yesterday. And I just haven't had time to take it apart yet. So here we are, getting in the middle of it. I'm going to take this top cover off and see just how good or bad the engine looks in there. And just to be clear, I don't work for BG, but I have used a lot of their products, and most of them I'm pretty happy with. So we should be able to go ahead and pop this top cover off now. All right, here we go. So there we are, after, I don't know how many thousand miles this car exactly has, but it's over 100,000 miles. This is what it looks like inside. So this is after a BG engine flush. We'll go ahead and move this over this way. So we can see overall, it looks pretty good. The aluminum looks nice and fresh in there. And if we can see in there, everything looks pretty good. So I think it did a really good job considering how much buildup was in this car before. Not that I can show you, but you know, looking through the oil cap, there was a lot of black carbon deposits and buildup on this. So we can see overall that looks pretty good. So now we can go ahead and pop this bottom cover off and see how it looks inside there. Fell over. So here we are inside the engine after a BG flush. So from the looks of it, the dynamic engine flush does a heck of a job trying to get this thing clean, and we can see, you know, even the color of the metal doesn't look discolored at all. So if you want to know about the dynamic engine flush, it's a great product, definitely. So if you feel like you need an engine flush, your car's been neglected, you know, say you bought a used car and it was neglected a little bit and you want to make sure the inside of the motor's clean, go for the dynamic engine flush from BG. It does a heck of a job. Anyway, thanks for watching this, even though the camera is a little bit shaky. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and leave me a comment. Thanks.